All right, people, Nick Roberts here, and today we're talking how to make your customer pain points hurt. So maybe you've been doing some copywriting and you find that the pain points you write out are very bland and very boring, and they don't pack a punch and they don't really get people to act. All right, this video is going to really help you out, and I'm going to talk you through the steps right now. So the first thing we're going to do is think of the problem people are facing, and then think, well, what's the emotional pain that problem is putting them in? Okay, what's the psychological impact of that problem? Okay, so let's get an example here. What problem does our product solve? Well, let's go for a weight loss product. It's easy for this example, and it solves the problem of being overweight. Okay, problem is overweight. All right, so what we want to go do now is list out 10 negative emotions associated with being overweight. And what I found really helps with this is to go and look at an emotions chart, because when I try to think of emotions off the top of my head, I'm just feeling, oh, I feel bad, I feel, I feel self-conscious. I just come up with the same ones again and again and again. Now check out this. If you look at an emotions chart, you get this, you get some really great ideas. All right, let's just check a few of these out. So I've got worried, I feel inadequate, I feel inferior, I feel worthless, I feel insignificant, excluded, persecuted, disrespected, ridiculed, jealous, hostile. So you get these amazing sort of granular emotions. I like to call them granular because they sort of go a depth deeper than the normal ones we think about, and they really carry their own sort of unique sort of taste with them. All right, I've been thinking about this for too long, but anyway, you get the idea. Once you've pulled up a few emotions off this emotions chart, and by the way, if you want to find this emotions chart, just go and type in wheel of emotions into Google. Type in wheel of emotions into Google. Okay, you'll get this. And then we'll come back to our chart. Sorry, we'll come back to our presentation. And I've just listed 3. Okay, so I've got jealous, self-conscious, withdrawn. All right, easy ones to run with. And here's what we're going to do with them. Okay, so we're going to bring in this formula here. You feel emotional pain because of a specific problem. Okay, so you feel jealous because of bam. All right, and when you bring in your specific problem, what I like to do is paint a scene. All right, bring in some imagery from that person's daily life. Okay, make it a real sort of tangible daily event which they can sort of feel and hear and see and experience with their senses. Okay, this will make sense in an example. So let's check one out. You feel jealous of your friends because they are slimmer than you. Okay, so we've got a negative emotion because, and we've got this specific thing. They're slimmer than me. I can see them. They're all slimmer. They're all thinner. All right, and you can even hit harder with this with some better imagery. I find something like this. You feel jealous of your friends when you go on a night out. All right. Now for me, something as small as just changing it to go on a night out carries so much imagery and so much emotion with it, because going on a night out, there's a whole build up. You're showering, you're looking at yourself in your mirror, you're like, oh fucking hell, I can't believe I look like this. Then you put on your clothes, a button come popping off, you can't tilt your belt, it's all gathering. So when you go on a night out, you walk into the bar, and you sort of like, you get the idea. It carries a lot of imagery. That's what I'm saying. Paint a scene. Okay, let's try another one. You feel self-conscious because your stomach shows through all your clothes. Okay, got a negative emotion there, and then we've got this real imagery, this specific problem. Your stomach is showing, or your stomach is clinging to your clothes. That's a good one. That's very kinesthetic. It's clinging. You can almost feel that. Let's try one more. You feel withdrawn in social settings because you are sure people are mocking you. All right, so emotional pain, withdrawn. All right, and then this specific problem, this imagery, this event where you're sure people are mocking you. All right, and it carries a lot of imagery with it. You can sort of imagine, any social event, and you can imagine, voices, people talking about it. He's playing in this fear, this paranoia, and most likely people are not talking about you. People don't really give a shit about other people and they're more worried about themselves, but it's still playing into this self-conscious element, okay, which I quite like. So that's it. I think that's it. Yeah, that is it. Let's just recap. So you feel emotional pain because of specific problem. Okay, I really hoped this little formula helps you out, helps you improve your copywriting. If you did get something from it, I really appreciate a like, really helps the channel. And yeah, go and hit subscribe if you want more content like this. I'm trying to bring out a video with a new copywriting tip every day if I can. As soon as I learn something, I just go straight onto YouTube and archive it, and then share the knowledge. All right. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got a lot out of it. And I'll catch you real soon in another video. All right. All the best. Take care.